Hello, this video will go over an introduction about how to enter or edit a rate structure on OpenEI. So first, let's go to openei.org. If you haven't already done so, you're going to have to sign up for a user account in the upper right hand corner. But I've already done so, I'm going to log in. I'll enter my information and log into my account. Now, so what we want to do is a utility rate structure. So we're going to click on Utilities at the top here. So you can look up the rates by browsing the rates by the zip code or by the utility name. What we want to do is create or edit a rate. So we click there. We'll wait for it to bring it up. And one of the companies in our area is Delmarva Power, so let's type that in. We want just Delmarva Power. And there's 7 rates already in there for this utility company. So for an assignment, you can either create a new rate that's not in here, or just check that this rate is correct. So let's just click on the first one in the list. So there's a lot of information that you can put in to openei.org. This has lots of different things. We have a fixed monthly charge, there's flat rate adjustments and whatnot, so there's a lot of stuff you can put in here. And then there's a description. So let's look at our demand charges. So what's going on is there's a different dollar per kilowatt or demand charge for rate period 1, which looks like it's June, July, August, and September, and rate period 2, which is the rest of the year. So really what all that means is that in the summer you're going to get charged a higher demand charge because of the air conditioning usage on the grid. And what's nice about this too is if there's a time of use demand charge structure, you can see it below. But since it's the same, it's just monthly, then it's all the same. And you can also see if there's reactive power charges here. Okay, so now let's look at the energy use charge structure. So there's a structure for rate period 1, rate period 2, rate period 3, and rate period 4. So it looks like rate period 2 is the highest dollar per kilowatt hour. So let's go look down here, and we can see the time of use structure here. So this has a time of use structure that you can put in. And what's nice about OpenEI is that you can edit this when you go to edit your utility data. And that's about it. So there's lots of other options when you go ahead and edit this. So let's take a look at that, all those options. So we just hit the button Edit with Form, and now we're waiting for it to come up. It takes a little while because it's got a big editor mode on here. Okay, so as you can see, we can edit all the things in our basic information. Let's go ahead to the demand. And we can edit our periods. We could edit this. You know, I just typed in a 2 to edit that. We don't want to do that right now. So we'll go back to 1. We could put in if we are charged reactive power charge, and we can put some comments in as well. And then the same thing with energy. We can put in our rate structures here. We can add more. We can do some editing with this. We can also select many bubbles, and if we wanted to change that to a 5, say, we could do that. But again, I want to change it back to a 1. So you just click and drag to select more than one, so that then you can edit very quickly. And again, there's comments. And then you'd have to save the revision. We're not going to do that because I don't want to mess with this page, but that's what you would do. What's really nice about OpenEI is that it integrates right with the system advisor model, and that'll be a topic for another video. But you can easily calculate what your charges are going to be if you have hourly utility data with system advisor model and OpenEI. Thanks for watching.